Hi, this is Scott Midwest, your service tech, and today we're going to show you how to connect the airline for your Midwest Automate handpiece system. So the Automate system comes with a blue tubing with a fitting on the end of it that is designed to go into the 3/8 compression fitting that's on your standard angle stop, which is in most of your sterilization areas. So we're going to connect this fitting on the end of the blue tube to our shutoff valve for our airline. To do this, we're going to need a nut and sleeve. A lot of times, if this fitting's been used before, the nut and sleeve may be missing, as it is on this one. You can purchase the nut and sleeves at your home improvement stores locally, and they usually come like in a pack of 3. You have 3 sleeves in one pack, 3 nuts in a pack. So we're going to take this fitting and slide the nut down over the fitting first, and then we're going to slide the sleeve onto the fitting. Okay. And then we're going to insert the fitting into the valve. We're going to push it down on the fitting attached to the blue tube and hold it in and tighten the nut. As soon as that gets snug or finger tight, we're going to continue to hold down on that fitting so it doesn't pop out. And we're going to take our wrench and go ahead and tighten this down. We want to go about 1 full turn. Okay, that's going to smash that brass sleeve onto the fitting. Make sure that it's good and tight, and that's not going to pop out of there when it has air pressure on it. Okay, so once we have that connected, what we want to do is take the end of the blue tube here, point this away, point it down towards the floor. Go ahead and turn the air pressure on. Purge any debris or particulates that may be in the line, especially if the line's never been used. Let that blow out for a while so we don't put a bunch of debris into our brand new machine. Okay, turn that back off. This is going to connect to the back of the machine in a push connect type fitting. Okay, this is designed that you can push the blue tube in. You'll feel a little bit of resistance, push a little harder, and it'll go another 1/4 inch. The little teeth in there will grab the tube so you can't pull it back out. If you need to remove it, push in on the blue tube, push down on the ring, and then pull the blue tube out while holding down on the ring. Okay. So we've made our connections here. We would turn our airline on, check for leaks, make sure everything's okay, then go ahead and test the system. One thing I want to note is that this fitting on the back of the machine is designed for 6 millimeters. So even if you have, say you have a 1/4 inch tubing that you're going to use, you don't want to put that tubing, the 1/4 inch tubing, into the fitting. We want to use the blue tubing that came with the machine because that's going to fit in there and not cause any problems. And then use a straight barb fitting to adapt from our blue 6 millimeter tubing over to the 1/4 inch tubing that may be running already in the sterilization area. Okay, so after that, then you're all set.